Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Um, Today I'm going to put on a topic that I think a lot of you will like. I'm gonna show you how to make this Minecraft server without port forwarding one of your router ports. I'm going to show you guys how to do it without port forwarding anything. I already have a server running right here. So we're just gonna start with searching Minecraft server, and we're going to the official Minecraft site, and here you have a Minecraft server. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new folder. So on your desktop or wherever you want, you just rename it like Minecraft server or something. It doesn't really matter. Oh no. Server tutorials. I'll name it tutorial like that. You can open this, but there's nothing in this, so we're gonna have to download some things. So we need the server jar for Minecraft, and we'll need this. So just let it download the Minecraft server, and once that's done, I'm just real quick going to put it like this. So once that's done, you can just put it in here. Let's just look at the downloads. It's not done yet. So once it's done downloading, we'll paste it in here, as you can see. And then we'll open Notepad or any other text editor, but I just think Notepad is much more helpful for this. And we'll copy this without the Node GUI because that's just annoying. So like this, jar, and then all of this. By the way, the link for this site will be in the description. So what we now do is you do save as, and you'll just locate this folder here, Minecraft server, and we'll run.bat. That's how you do it. You save it as run.bat. Save it. You can close this, and as you can see, we have this right here. So normally when you have downloaded this server, it should have this name, server.jar, and then the problem is that if we just go in and edit this, it doesn't use the server.jar, it uses this string, which isn't good. So you have to change that to just server.jar, and if you then run the run.bat, it will create your server for you. If we just have a minute. And as you can see, you'll have a EULA, a server properties, and a logs. Now, the thing is, you first need to open this EULA.txt, and you need to accept it. So this is that you don't misuse like the Minecraft server and you don't sell things. So when you've accepted this, you can run the server itself, and normally it should start up. As you can see, it starts to create a world, and here it will open. This is a different server than the one I showed you. So now it will start generating a world for you, and this is absolutely free. So while this thing is generating a world, we're gonna do the next thing, because this is only for if you want to play on a local computer with another guy on the same Wi-Fi network. You can do this, but that's not fun. So we're gonna go to the Google. I'm gonna type zerotier.com or tire this. Press enter. This will also be in the description. And the one that wants to be the server owner, or just the owner of the network, will have to log in or sign up. So you can just sign up free. It's all free. Look, you just need to give in some, you can just log in with Google, or you give in all of your information, which is too much work for me. Once that's done, you're gonna download it. So here, if you're on Windows, use Windows. If you're on Mac, you use Mac. There is an Android and an iOS version. There's Linux, and I don't know what these are. But, so, which version? I have Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows one. And you can just install it by double-clicking on it. And then it will just start the installer for you. So it will normally start it here. So I already have this installed, but you just need to go through the setup wizard, but I'm gonna cancel it. So yes, I want to cancel. You need to finish everything, make sure that it's all done, and normally this server should be started up. My friends are trying to join, so once you have ZeroTire installed, you're gonna open it. So ZeroTire 1, you open it, and you'll have to here join a new network. Now, what do you have to give in this? Well, you can, if you have an account, you can log in, and here you can see. Okay. I have already 2 networks, and you can create another one. It's totally free. Now you have the nostalgic Roberts. You can give it a name like My Minecraft Server. And then we'll have a description of what it does. And you'll also have this code. This, you need to give this into ZeroTire. So here, you'll give in that code and you click join. Now, it will normally, down here, yes, it will ask me if I want to allow this. Yes. So now people can access your computer, you can access their computer via ZeroTire. Normally, you should then see. So here you can give in a seed if you want. You can change the max build height if you want, but that's all, yeah, like whitelist and stuff. But that's for another video. And here you have server IP address. So the port will be automatically selected for you. You don't need to really wiggle with that. And the IP address can be empty because ZeroTire uses. It is basically like you're on the same network. So you don't need to. Don't need to give in an IP address. So now, how do your friends join? They also install this ZeroTire, and you'll give them your IP address. So this is an IP address that's created for you. As you can see, most of them are encoded. So the physical IP, and this is my IP address to join on my server. But let's say another guy comes in, he also has it. So it's done. So we're gonna go into multiplayer. And this is the server that I created. As you can see, the server has started up and already someone has joined. So this is the exact same server, it's exact same IP address. So I can just join on it and it will be a new world. And yeah, let's maybe just have a quick little look. Maybe somebody else we can find. The first time you load it up, it's a bit slow. As you can see, this is a brand new server. And yeah. That's it for today. I hope you liked it. If you didn't, yeah, the dislike button works. If you did, and you want to see the server.properties file explained, leave a like, subscribe to see that one. See ya!